Give one to the baby too.
Yeah, just the mom.
Grandma.
You can really get in here.
It says right here, enter here, Bubba. Okay, give the big one.
No, Ellie.
Slow down, Ellie. Slow down.
We have other things to feed. We're not going to keep buying buckets and buckets of carrots. So give them each a couple, and that's it for now.
Oh. This one is last two.
This is Bert and Bertha. That's okay, big guy. Give him some.
Oh, the other ones are getting.
It's okay, we'll come back. The animals. He's saying hello. 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 Goodbye.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh. Goodbye. Let me out.
Let me out.
Goodbye.
Let me out.
A real pig too.
Woo! Hungry.
Oh.
They're not going to hurt you.
Come give this hat, little guy.
Elliot's just throwing the Fruit Loops.
Dad, I'm getting scared. They're all after me.
He's a pig.
He's a stealer.
I don't have any more.
Big never in your arm. Oh yes, look at that. You're holding him on your shoulder.
Oh yeah, look at.
Baby.
See, just hold on to him. We don't want him to squiggle away because he would fall and hurt himself. Okay, just there you go. Look at, oh, he's a baby. He's a baby. Tell Mama you want a bunny now, huh?
I want a bunny for pet.
Yeah.
These are Belgian horses. They're 2 and 3 years old. One on the right's name is Tiger. One on the left is Tom.
Tiger and Tom.
Oh!
You're following us.
Oh!
Allie, give him some.
Give him some! Oh, don't!
It's okay.
Oh, mine! Oh! No, that's the fastest way they'll eat it. I knew it.
Look at all the babies. Get it closer. You can do it, buddy. He wants the tray.
Oh, they're so
Okay, you want
Alright.
Okay, we'll pull ahead.
Here we go.
Because they saw it.
They're following.
Man. All the animals want to stay with us. They want all the babies.
You can leave that ostrich handy if you want. Take it away.
Oh, look at this. Here, look at this. There you go. Look at good stuff. You like it? You have beautiful eyes.
You want some water?
He kind of tucks it, kind of hard to.
Yeah, take it.
You have your hair.
No. I kind of feel. That one must be.
You don't want to feed him out of your hand?
I will.
They're hungry.
Oh.
Especially for ah!
Two buffalo, they both got babies. Got 3 of them drilling that baby.
We want some. Where's
Yeah, they think they're the boss.
Well, I see why they would think that.
Yeah, big ones shed their winter coat most of it. Small ones are starting to. These two over here are Z-donks. They're a cross between a zebra and a donkey. Now, if they come up, they'll grab the bucket right out of your hand if you feed them with the bucket. You can see if you're strong enough to hang on if you want. Or then you can just feed them off the floor of the wagon. Here, buddy.
Oh, here, yeah, see it.
I didn't know when.
Oh!
Oh, you lost it. Nice try, girl.
Uh-oh. There's...
Nice try.
Those are the ones that grab the bucket out of your hand. So you can feed them off the floor of the wagon.
Oh, man. They think he's the boss.
charge there.
There's a man in charge.
They're like, we want your bucket clean.
The one here is a Scottish Highlander. Laying down there over by the fence is a Nilgai. That's an African antelope.
Right there.
Oh, you're putting it on the ground. You're going to put more?
Hey, here comes a lot of the animals.
Here comes the sister. Oh, look at him. How can he even see?
He needs a haircut.
Camel's name is Oscar. He's a year and a half old. The smaller one there.
Oh, why did you do that?
That's a yeah.
Mom? You can refill it at $2.
Yeah, I'm watching you guys, okay? I'm okay.
This camel's name is Leroy.
What's the camera?
Camels don't have teeth on the top. They just got them on the bottom.
I think that's the guy in here. I think that's
And if you want to feed him, you can get a handful of feed and hold it over the railing. He'll stick his tongue out.
Oh.
The red one back there with the big long horns is a Watusi. It's an African cow. He's got a baby. One right here.